How to remove the Snapchat group that you created. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to learn on how you can remove your Snapchat groups that you created. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now if you want to delete a Snapchat group that you made, go to the chat or the conversation section, find the group that you created. Tap on that group. Tap on the group name in the top. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Go ahead and select the member and tap on remove from group. Once you do that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on leave group. Tap on leave again and you'll be done. This group will be disbanded. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.